Hello, children. I once again welcome you back to your EVS classes. Today, we will start up a new chapter, chapter 11 Plants Around Us. In this chapter, we will study about different types of plants which you see nearby you in your neighborhood. We will also know about different parts of a plant and also the uses of plants or how plants are useful to us. So, let's begin our chapter. We can see different kinds of plants when we go for a walk in the neighborhood. Some plants are big while some are small. Some plants have broad leaves while some have very narrow leaves. Let us learn about the various types of plants. So, children, here it may be clear in your mind that some plants are very big while some are small, and there are different types of leaves each plant do have. Each plant has their own different types of leaves. Some plants have big leaves, some have very small leaves, some are broad, means they are wide, and some are narrow, it means they are having thin surface area. Okay, so we will study about them all in detail in this chapter. Now the first type is trees. What are trees? Very big plants are called trees. Trees are supported by one thick stem called the trunk. They also have many branches. So what are trees? Trees are actually very big plants. You can see many trees nearby your house or in your neighborhood. Trees are supported by one thick stem. One big thick stem is there, na? That is known as trunk. And they also have many branches. Trees have many branches. Neem, peepal, banyan, mango and coconut are some of the common trees found in India. So these are the common trees which are there in India, and they are really very big trees. Now, shrubs. What are shrubs? Some plants are small and bushy. They have woody stems. Such plants are called shrubs. Rose, hibiscus and henna or mehendi are shrubs. So children, it's clear here that some plants, they are bushy. Bushy means many branches are coming out. They have hard woody stem, means their stem is hard. It's wood, hard wood, okay? And they have many stems, and these plants are called shrubs. Some examples are rose, hibiscus. Hibiscus is a red colored flower plant you might be having at home, and henna or mehendi, this is also an example of shrubs. Okay, so children, you might be having rose plant or hibiscus plant at your home. You have a look or ask your parents, ask your mama to show you and find out the type of plant it is. Is it having hard woody stem or not? Now the next one is herbs. Some plants have soft green stems. They are called herbs. Coriander, mint and grass are herbs. So children, here it is clear that herbs are totally different from shrubs. Shrubs have woody stems, while herbs, they have soft green stem. Their stem is really very soft. You can twist it. You might have seen coriander at your home. Your mama might have brought for making chutney out of it. So you have a look at it. Touch the stem. You will find it soft, okay? And even mint, pudina and grass, they are all herbs. They all have soft green stems. The color of the stem is also green, and in shrubs the color of the stem is generally brown in color. Okay, now the next one is climbers and creepers. Some plants have very weak stems. They use other plants, rocks or walls for support when they grow. Such plants are called climbers. grape, bougainvillea, and pea are climbers. And some plants with weak stems grow along the ground and they are called creepers. Pumpkin, bottle gourd, and watermelon are creepers. So, what are climbers and creepers? They both are plants which have very weak stem. Okay, children, their stem is very weak and they use some support to grow. They cannot grow without the support of a thing. They use either some other plants or sticks or rocks or walls for support. You might have seen some of the farmers, they put a stick in the soil just to give a support to the plant so that the plant may take support and may grow. Okay, and such plants, they are known as climbers. When they grow high, when they climb the support, they are called climbers. And some examples of climbers are grape, you might have seen grapevine, bougainvillea, and pea. They are some examples of climbers. And now creepers. Creepers also have very weak stems, but they grow along the ground, means they grow on the ground, or you can say they creep on the ground. They move along the ground. And some examples of creepers are pumpkin, bottle gourd, and watermelon. Children, you might have seen pumpkin. See in the picture also, pumpkin is there which is on the ground, and they are creepers because if they will grow high, the fruits are so heavy that the plant will not be able to take the load of heavy fruits or vegetables. So the plants grow, or you can say grow along the ground and bear fruits over there only. Okay, you can see watermelon also, bottle gourd also. So these are some creepers. So children, this much for today. Next day we will take up new topic and we will continue. Till then children, take care. Thank you.